I feel like this is the number one problem that people who are looking to become entrepreneurs face. Like, they just don't know where to start. They don't know what to sell. They don't know what type of service they're into. They need to figure out what their passion is and what they are passionate. So if you're a stay-at-home mom and you're watching this video and you've always wanted to start your own small business from the comfort of your home, then this video is going to be the perfect video for you. Hey there, my name is Veronica, but here on YouTube, I go by Viva. I am a mom of 3 beautiful children, and I also run multiple online businesses. One of my businesses is actually a physical store where I sell physical products and I have to actually ship out packages. So my second business is going to be my coaching business, where I coach and mentor people who are looking to become influencers and business owners, just like we're doing here. So my third business is going to be myself as an influencer. I make a lot of money as an influencer, which is why I teach it. On top of my 3 businesses, I am also an assistant to my husband. He is a realtor and he's also a real estate investor. Okay, so the most important thing I want to talk about today is when you're a stay-at-home mom and also a business owner, it's very important for you to have a passion for being an entrepreneur. Whatever type of business that you are trying to start, you have to have a passion for that business. Without passion, you are going to lack things such as motivation, which we know that we really need for the hard times we come across as business owners. And you're also going to lack creativity. When you're passionate about being an entrepreneur and about having your online business, it becomes easier to overcome obstacles and setbacks. Along with passion comes creativity, and you need creativity as a business owner. You need creativity to come up with new and innovative ideas for your business. Also, having passion is going to make you want to take risk with your business, and taking risk is literally how you're going to grow as a business and also as a person. So the most difficult part of starting a business is going to be coming up with the idea of what type of business you are going to start. I feel like this is the number one problem that people who are looking to become entrepreneurs face. Like, they just don't know where to start. They don't know what to sell. They don't know what type of service they're into. They need to figure out what their passion is and what they are passionate about. So when it comes to coming up with ideas for what type of business you want to start, you first want to figure out how you can provide value to someone's life. And this is the one part that might take you the longest to figure out. Once you have done the hard work and actually figured out what you're passionate about and what you're going to start selling or what type of services you're going to start offering, the next step would be to create a business plan. Business plans are super important because it's literally going to give you a outline for your business. It's going to feature things like your financial projection and your marketing strategies. Because of course, anyone can start a business, but you're not going to sell anything if you're not marketing your products or services. And for those of you who are interested and you need help with creating a business plan, I have a video which features a free business plan template for you guys to just fill out your information. Or if you just want a done for you service made from a professional like myself, go ahead and look in the description, and I'm going to have the link where you guys can actually purchase a business plan for me, and I will be able to communicate with you and we will come up with a business plan for your business. Once you have your business concept and you have your business plan, then you are going to figure out your target audience. Figuring out your target audience is important because this is what's going to tell you who is going to buy your products, because your products are not going to be for everyone. So you have to figure out the certain category of people who your products are going to be for. And you're in luck because you're watching this video. So I'm able to show you that I have an entire free course here on YouTube that is specifically dedicated to finding your target audience. After you have figured out your target audience, you want to begin to develop a brand for yourself. So when I say develop a brand, this brand is going to be the image for your business. What logo are you going to be using? What colors are you going to be using? What type of aesthetic is your business going to be? Branding is literally what's going to allow you and your business to stand out from everyone else's. And of course, in the description, I have an entirely free ebook on how to personally brand yourself. I feel like I have an ebook or a video for everything, you guys. I'm literally the GOAT. So I know a lot of you guys actually don't like to hear this, especially those of you who are new to social media or who isn't on social media yet, but when you have a business, social media is a must. But don't worry, you do not have to be the face of your brand, but your brand does need to have a face. You can hire an influencer, or you're a stay-at-home mom, so I would really suggest that you take advantage and use one of your children if you have a teenager, because this is what I do and it helps a lot. And not to add that you can actually put your child on payroll, you guys. So you would literally be helping your child be employed, and you would be helping yourself because you would be saving a lot of money and also time because you would be employing your child. It's easier to work with your children because you can type of mold them. But if you're working with a complete stranger, then they have to kind of adjust to you and what your preferences are. Okay, guys, so these are literally the steps that every successful business owner takes to start their business. But let's not forget, this entire video sounds so easy to do and so accomplishable, but let's not forget we're moms. We're stay-at-home moms. So this is going to be more of a challenge for us because not only do we have to dedicate our time to a new business, we also have to give a lot of our time to just being a mom and cooking and cleaning and dealing with the kids in school, and also having to keep your husband happy if you are married. If you're not, you have to self-care. It's a lot as a mom. I'm telling you, running a business is going to add to that. So just make sure you are mentally ready to go through this. And this is where having a strict schedule is really going to come into play, because none of this is going to be possible. So just to sum up this video, being a stay-at-home mom and being a business owner is definitely a lot of work and is not made for everybody, but it is very rewarding because I'm home with my kids. You get to stay home with your kids all day. If you want to take your kids to the park randomly, you could do that. You don't have to ask a boss, or you don't have to wait until you're out of work. You have complete freedom of your time. So this is why all of this is worth it. It's all worth it. So I hope this video is very beneficial and can actually help some of you guys start your own online businesses. I've had my business for 6 years now. I started my business in 2017, and we are a very successful business. And I literally have all 3 of my kids helping me in my business. Everyone has a task, and it's super cool because the babies are young, but it's cool that I'm able to actually employ my children, which is it's mind blowing, because coming from where I come from, this stuff was not heard of. This stuff was not possible. And I'm literally doing all of it and including my children in the entire process. So I hope that you guys found this video helpful and that you can start your businesses. And I'm just completely rooting for all of you guys. So that's going to be it for today's video. Make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm posting every Saturday, so I'll catch you guys next Saturday in the next video. Until next time, guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.